up everyone, I am Jamie with ThreeLittleGoats.com. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you've been around for a while, welcome back. I'm glad to see you as always. So today we are going to take a soap that I made a couple weeks ago. The fragrance kind of dissipated. It doesn't smell as good as it did when I first cut it. So we're going to take it, we're going to flip it upside down, we're going to cut it in half, and we're going to do something different with it, and we're going to turn it into some twisted citrus soap. So let's get started. Alright, so today we are doing a little bit experimenting. A couple weeks ago I put out an orange creamsicle soap that I absolutely love the way it looked. I love the way it smelled when I cut it. And then like 2 days later this scent kind of just dissipated and it's there, but it's not like there. Not like I'd want it. And I don't want to rebatch the entire batch. So what I'm going to do is a little experiment. We're going to go a little off the wall, a little bit kooky. And what I've done is I've cut them in half. So I've cut them in half and I've put them back in the mold like so. So we're going to experiment a little bit and turn this into an orange lime soap. Okay, so I am using Newtone yellow powder from Crafter's Choice. I'm also using some titanium dioxide and we're going to just experiment a little bit. See how things go. Alright. So for this batch, I'm just making a basic lye solution. No beer on this side. We're going to do that. Mix. And just bring that to a very light trace. And I'm going to add in my fragrance oil. And I'm going to find my mixing spoon. I'm going to give it just a little mix. I'm going to just pour off a little bit of that. We're working with a pretty small batch today. So we're going to add in our yellow, and I just pre-mix my colorant with a little bit of the oil from the batch. That way it's just a little bit easier to incorporate into the soap. And then we're going to add in our titanium dioxide. And then give this a quick blitz. Oh, that smells so good. And then I think I'm going to do just a in the pot swirl. There, 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 and scrape off the rest. Let's see how this goes. Oh jeez, so messy. I don't know why I'm so messy all the time. Alright, so let's give this a pour. So, since I do have extra soaps in there, there's some gaps, so I'm just going to tilt it so it gets into those gaps on that side. And if it's uneven on the top, I'm fine with that. I can plane it after I cut them. I just want to make sure there's no little gaps, or avoid as many gaps as possible. Off one messy glove, get a bit spritz in. And I will see you guys in about 3 seconds. For me, it'll be 24 hours when it is time to cut the soap. Alright, so today is my favorite day. It is cutting day. Now, I am going to have to plane it because it didn't get quite all the way in there. There's some gaps, which is fine. That's what a planer's for, right? So, hopefully, I plan this out right and we should get some good cuts. How beautiful and cool is that? I mean, come on. I absolutely love that. So I'm gonna pull out my planer and we're gonna get her fancied up a bit. Alright, so this is my planer, nothing fancy, it's just acrylic. During one of the mini moves that we had, I lost the little sticky things on the bottom. I haven't replaced them yet, so hopefully it won't cause too much of an issue when planing. So I'm going to go over the bottoms a few times. And then clean up that one side. There we go. I'm just going to repeat this process with all of the other ones. That is it. I will see you guys in the outro. So that is what I have got for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? We put out new videos every single week, sometimes twice a week. Get them feeling spunky. If you have any questions, always leave them down in the comments below. And as always, I always leave a whole bunch of information down in the description box. So be sure to check that out as well. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.